Good morning. Just kidding. This is the night routine. Howdy loves, welcome back. It is 4:27 in the afternoon, which means it is almost time for the end of the day to begin. And I want to show you guys my summer night routine because school is starting next week. Bye. Yeah, so I'm not even gonna lie, like, I woke up from a 3-hour nap 5 minutes ago. It was a really good sleep and I might regret it because I might have trouble falling asleep tonight, but it's totally fine. I was really tired. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline. You should totally subscribe, join the man fam. Nothing as fancy as my morning routine. I feel like I'm very productive in the morning and then at nighttime I just honestly chill and whatever. Look at how cute my new pajama set is. Like, look at how freaking cute this is. I'm so obsessed. I do not feel like driving right now. Psych. We're having tacos tonight, but we didn't get tortillas. So my dad is gonna get tortillas. I'm gonna ask if he can drive my car. Can I make dinner tonight?
Yes.
Guys, this is my dad. He has to adjust the seat because I'm like 5'0".
Yes.
A very short gal.
Oh. Hello.
You wanna tell him what we're doing?
We are going to HEB to get either soft tortillas or taco shells because Caroline's gonna make us dinner tonight.
Yep. Oh, I have a new song I need to show you. It's so good, Dad.
Okay.
And there's no cuss words in it. Basically, all morning I was at my school. I had a college application meeting with my counselor. And you guys, I applied to college. But I only applied to one school. I'm not gonna say it. Take a guess in the comments. Comment down below what school you think I applied to. The only school. My counselor was like, I recommend you apply to 5 or more, but there's only one that I want to go to. Also, I don't want to like spend all that money on applications. It is a smart idea. If you are wanting to go to college and you're not sure where you want to go, I would recommend applying to 5 or more. But anyways, yeah, that's what my morning looks like. Applied, paid the fee, and now I'm just gonna wait until December something to hear if I get accepted. Did you get it?
Yes, make sure I got everything.
Bananas for me because I go through these so fast. You guys, I made banana bread the other day from scratch.
It was very good.
You liked it?
Yes.
Mustard, don't know why we're getting that.
It's my favorite.
And taco shell. These are so good. I'm so excited. And just put it on there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yum.
Put a nice layer of Nutella, the chocolate Nutella. It's delicious.
It's very good. I already ate my banana bread for dessert. There is no better feeling than when your teeth are clean and your breath smells like mint. I'm taking my earrings out. I'm gonna take a bath tonight because I love taking baths. I'll just wear the same thing. Yeah, let's go do that. What's up? Okay, so I'm in my bathtub. I'm taking a bubble bath. Time to take off my makeup. This is what I use to make my bubble bath. It's the Laura Mercier Amber Vanilla or Ombre Vanilla. I don't even know. But basically it's a body wash and I just put it in here and then it makes these bubbles and it smells so good. We're gonna take off my makeup. I use the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This stuff is so good, and for the longest time I used makeup wipes, but I never realized how harsh they were on my face.
And every time that you are closing your eyes, I will be beside.
Makeup is off. Now I'm going to relax in here for a little bit.
To fly right to you, 'cause when I dive into the traffic. The echo of your
Does anybody else like put their hair on the wall? Because same. For my cleanser, I'm using the Beauty Counter Rejuvenating Face Cleanser. I was trying Skincare by Hyram for a while, but I think that kind of made my face break out, not gonna lie. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my special cream from my dermatologist. This is what it looks like, and I just put like a little bit on my finger and then spread that out on my face. And then rub that in. It kind of smells like really disgusting, but it's helped a lot. And then for moisturizer, I use the Beauty Counter Nourishing Night Cream, and this stuff is so good. Then for my lips, I use Vaseline. And finally, last but not least, I put in my retainers. I feel like I've been pretty good about wearing my retainers. Whenever I had braces, I was really good about wearing bands and stuff, so I try to take care of my teeth as much as I can.
Touching me like lightning, even when exciting, you know exactly what to do to blow my mind.
Now is the fun part. I love candles. I think we all know that. I also love matches as well. Look at how cute this matchbox is. Laura Mercier sent it to me and I am obsessed. And the candle that I have right now is also from Laura Mercier. They also sent it and it smells really, really good. By the way, I'm probably gonna have a lisp for the rest of this video because of my retainer, so sorry about that. Then once I'm all situated, I pull out my planner and kind of cross out everything that I've done because I kind of have like a list of what I set for myself every day. And got my pens in this bag. Okay. My dogs are literally crazy. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to edit for the next hour and a half. Thankfully, it doesn't take me that long to edit. But I'm very glad that like I don't have an editor or anything, which no shame to any YouTuber who does. But I just personally really love like being in control and having like a vision for my videos. I just couldn't see myself not editing my videos. So I really enjoy it. It's not something that is like a stress for me. Like I really actually enjoy editing. Let's edit. I was editing and then a package came. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I don't think I've ever been this excited for a package. By the way, editing is going very good. It's taking a little longer than I expected. I got some Beats. These are the Beats Solo 3s. I cannot wait to use these. I'm gonna try editing with them on. Okay, BRB. Once I get this on my head. Hey yo, she a gamer girl. Okay, these are actually so cute. The audio quality is chef's kiss. Okay, I think I'm done editing. I feel like I need to give my eyes a break. So we're gonna wind down even more and read a book because I have been obsessed with this particular book that I will show you guys. I cannot express how much I love my new room versus my old room. I liked my old room. Oh wait, did I show you guys that I put those up? Anyways, I really liked my old room, but my new room, it just is so much more cozier and comfy. I'm not sure if I showed y'all, but I put these up, or my dad put these up, and I love it so much. But I need help on what to put above my bed because I still don't know what to do. Like I don't want any more mirrors in my room because I have 2 big ones. So maybe like some art decor. Okay, this is my favorite book currently. It's so good. It's called We Were Liars. I've seen so many people recommend this book, and so I was like, you know what? I'm going to finally get it and we're gonna read. Couple chapters down. Let me put this away. Okay. Now I'm gonna watch Love Island on my TV because that show is so addicting. It's so addicting. Oh, where's my remote? I'm watching the UK version. I think I'm on season 6 right now. But yeah, the Australia one is also really good. Lately, I've been setting a goal for myself to go to bed at 10 p.m. every night and wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. So when it gets to like 9:45-ish, I'm probably gonna wind down and turn this off. So, I mean, I don't even have that much of this episode left. I just want to finish it.
You want me to, you're gonna film it?
Yeah.
How many drops? 4?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come here, let's go.
Good job. I have to let this sit in my ear. Oh, you're so sweet. We're pet sitting Miss Rhonda's dog, so Ollie is with us while they're in Hawaii. Okay guys, it's 9:42 and I'm going to go to bed now. But if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Ciao.
That summer is for falling in love. Da -dun -da -dun -day. Summer is for falling in love.